girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. All right, so I have 3 pieces of chicken breast over here that I already seasoned up. Okay, and these are the seasonings I use. Onion powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper. So you can season how you want to season it, as long as you use Italian seasoning or some oregano, just some type of Italian seasoning to it. And then back here, I have some cream cheese that I'm going to mix with some Parmesan cheese that's part of the topping. Some mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to try this cheese mix that in with that mozzarella cheese, because that was so good the other day. And some onions and some sun-dried tomatoes with Italian herbs and some garlic that I'm about to process up. And I put I love garlic, so I put like 5 cloves up in there, maybe 6. But I may not use them all, save some for later. So, okay, I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, so I got my onions sauteing up, try to get them all nice and caramelized. And then I got my minced garlic over here and my sun-dried tomatoes. I forgot to mention, y'all, and I got it in the title, okay, some spinach. So, all 3 of these gonna be in here once these onions are nice and sauteed up. Yes, y'all, this smells so good. Got the sun-dried tomatoes in there. Garlic. It smells so good. Onions. Ooh, Lord. Okay. It smells so good. All right. So while that is welting down the spinach, over here I have the cream cheese and some Parmesan cheese. Okay, on here, and what we're gonna do is mix all this up, and then put some dollops on top of this. All right, just got done. Put my elbow into this, spreading out this cream cheese filling mixed with Parmesan cheese. Now, if you want to add some salt and pepper, or I did a little bit of garlic salt, garlic salt in my Parmesan and cream cheese over there, you can do that. All right, so now it's time for the toppings. Okay, I'm finished topping these up. I'll be right back with you. Look at that. Look at here. Boy, look at here. Now I'm going to put some of my favorite cheese on top. And then some mozzarella cheese. Yes, y'all. All right, so I got the oven preheated at 375, and we're gonna leave these babies in for about 20-30 minutes, because they're pretty, like thin chicken breasts. I make sure I like smash it out some. But yeah, let's put these babies in. Oh my, oh my. Let's plate this baby up. Here's that. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Still pulling. Good God Almighty. Stream pool hanging over the pot. Serve that baby up with some vegetable garden rice. And you are good to go. Rice and that goodness. The bomb, y'all. Gotta try it. Until next time, peace and love.